So here I am taking apart a carburetor on my kitchen stove. I just put new top end in this thing. It's a 2000 YZ125 Yamaha. It's got great compression now. I got new O-rings in the exhaust. I'm getting everything mounted back up, but one of the last steps I have to do before I put it back together is clean the carb. So here we go. Just a little bit of minor corrosion. Should all clean out fairly well. I got a kit of everything: float valve, gaskets, O-rings, needles, and jets. So yep, hopefully nobody needs to use the stove or the oven at the moment. I'll be doing this instead of cooking on it.